Solving the equation 2 square root of x minus square root of 4x minus 1 equal to 1. This is a WAEC equation. So now you have 2 square root of x minus square root of 4x minus 1 equal to 1. Now we want to rearrange this equation. Now I want this sub this square root of 4x minus 11 to go to the right hand side and this 1 to come to the left hand side. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add the square root of 4x minus 11 then to both sides and also minus 1 to both sides. So what we are going to use, I'm going to use the square root of 4x minus 11 then minus 1 on both sides. So the square root of 4x minus 11 then minus 1 on both sides. So what will it be? This is plus, so this one will cancel out this. That means the left hand side will now be 2 square root of 2 times the square root of x minus 1 equal to the square root of 4x minus 1 minus 11, sorry. Then now what I'll do now is to square both sides of the equation. I will now say 2 times square root of x minus 1 square is equal to the square root of 4x minus 1 all squared. So squaring both sides. So I'm squaring both sides. So squaring both sides, what I would get here, just like saying 2 brackets open 2 times x and 2 times square root of x minus 1 bracket close bracket open 2 square root of x minus 1 is the same thing as saying the square root of 4x minus 1 times the square root of 4x minus 1 minus 11, sorry. So now we have let me check something. So we now have 2 square root of x into 2 square root of x minus 1 into 2 square root of x minus 1. So this, the square root of 4x minus 11 times the square root of 4x minus 7 will give you 4x minus 11. Now if you now open this expression, if you expand this expression, 2 times square root of x times 2 times square root of x will give you 4x. 2 times square root of x times minus 1 will give you minus 2 square root of x. So minus 1 times 2 times square root of x will give you minus 2 times square root of x Minus 1 times minus 1 will give you plus 1, which is equal to 4x minus 11. Now, we now have 4. At the left hand side, we have 4x minus 4 square root of x plus 1 equal to 4x minus 11. Now, if you now move this 4x, if you check the 4, when you look at the equality sign, you have 4x on the left hand side and 4x on the right hand side, so they will cancel each other. Now we are left with minus 4 square root of x plus 1 equal to minus 11. Now let's add minus 1 to both sides. If you have minus 1 to both sides, this will go out. You are now left with minus 4 square root of x is equal to minus 12. So dividing both sides by minus 4, so that this minus 4 will go out here. You will now have minus 4 will cancel out minus 4. You have square root of x left, will be left on the left hand side. Then on the right hand side you have 3. This minus will cancel out this minus. 4 divided 12 is 3. So now we square both sides. If you square both sides, you have x is equal to 9, because the square root of, let me just explain instead of writing the answers. If you square both sides, you have square root of x all squared is equal to 3 all squared. So you have square x, square root of x times square root of x will give you x, which is equal to 3 times 9. This is the end of this exercise. Thank you for watching.